Alright, my people, alright. Blessing. People if you see that you look away and a ball Elderbigz a ball or something in it, but I don't know what. I'll see it on my people, alright? But anyway, let's check out what I go on there, man, and people. You see this? See sour sap. Why it black like this? Because it was in the fridge. Alright? And here so you have the pineapple from yesterday. So the system I not tell no lie, my people. So I'm going to do them today. Right now when I'm on here, I deal with them. And I have two nice roasting breadfruit, my people. Yeah. See them, my people, well nice and ready for roast up. Alright, but when you don't know me in the kitchen, as you can see, the seasoning them over this and the blender there and cucumber and thing. You understand me, people? So right away me I work with the sauce up in the morning at first. Understand me, people? Yeah, before me deal with the pineapple. See my people, so I take time to take off the skin off of it because I'm going to use up. Or when half of them spoil, my people, half of the use. You understand me, people? Alright? So go and stay true, my people. I see my people? Yeah. So this is the sauce up, so you see? Some of it actually spoiled, my people, but not all. So this is what I got. I still got a lot. Alright, my peeps. So Elderbigz will go through it and I'm going to take time squeezing. Because actually it can blend, you know, my people. Yes, man. Sauce up can blend, man. And even if you take out the seeds, you can just blend everything. But your blender have to be very powerful for that. You understand, my people? See? So Elderbigz will go through and squeeze them out. Alright, my people. So remember, I'm going to do the sauce up first. And then I'll go do the pineapple. Alright, my people. So I'm going to do the sauce up. Then the pineapple. Yes, my people. So I don't know. I have some green banana over there, so I understand the people on the breadfruit. That in my grocery box, so I never see it earlier on, so I just take him out of the market box. Yeah, remember me telling you, my banana I left on the tree, I feel ripe, so I just go buy them one. See me, peep? Yeah, my man at my word, so left them on my tree for ripe. You see it, my peep? Nice and easy. Just take your time. Squeeze the sauce up. This is the basic thing about food, my people, as I always tell you now. Yeah, see? Fingers. No long nail with no bag of dirt, you know. That's not gonna happen. You have to be very careful with what you put on your belly, my people. Understand? So Elderbigz will go through and squeeze him sauce up. Nice and easy. So now go and stay tuned, my people. See my people? Sauce up juice. So see it? Take out the seeds them already, some of them. So now I'm going to run him through this chain, my people. Yes, my people. Run him through this chain, my people. I'm not going on my people, I just rinse out my spoon, you know? The people, when you see the strainer here, the double mesh strainer, you understand? So if you see something in it and dirty, you understand? Yeah, Elderbigz not deal with no nastiness around it. You understand? So I just make myself clear. As you can see it, it's a double mesh. So if I cut out the piece, I actually have a next piece, but I don't have to do that. I still have using it. I actually have another bit strainer side with my people, but I the one I prefer. Because the double mesh one can catch the jugs, you understand me, people? Yeah, man. If me even go back right on me pen right now, I'm gonna go buy or the double mesh one me buy. I have it in a metal too. I have one of the metal one over there, so about the angle break off. That's why I'm not really using my people. So I don't know. See it? I juice him to mix him up. See my people? So I don't know anything go. After this are the pineapple. Blend him up with some ginger, my people. So we have two sets of juice today. We have soursop and we have the pineapple. Yeah. And if you don't mind chop, I'm gonna make some cucumber. So it depends on the amount of ginger I have leave. Alright, my peeps. So just I go and make some juice. Maybe me all start cook same time too. All depends. Let me see what I go on, my peep. Some nice lovely banana over this. I wait for me as me the show already, you understand? So I don't know anything. No joke. What say my people? No joke. Elderbigz style. Run road. Yes, ja. So that's how this sauce up, my people. Nah, eat it. Let's see what I'm going on, person. The sugar same time, so don't know. No itching. Sweeten him and put him on the fridge. Take time with the sugar and the people. So the green them big. The green them big like a sun green. See it? So I'm not going to put more than nothing in the soup. Because I don't want it too sweet. If you're refreshing. I understand that I see if I find a lime in my lime tree. Lime. Lime. Where are you? We got some work to do. Alright, I'll find two of them. Find two of them, my babe. Now far let me beat me up ring some huh? They are a giant of my people. I have to ring some of my people because I don't know. Elderbigz not no big pretty kitchen way. I protect now. We call this where you screen off your place with the hands on them sitting there and real mesh and all type of sitting so. I have to wash off my thing them and take my time do what I do. I understand Elderbigz style. Come here, can yaadvibez. Yes, my peep. I don't feel no way on here, I say kitchen name. The channel name Vibes It Up in the people. I don't know, Vibes It Up. Hot pot. Yaadvibez. See it, my peep. The vibes is all about the music, but I don't know all the thing go. Sometimes we are going to play music and sometimes we are going to talk like no way. Me are going to talk like a radio station me work on. You understand? That we get more for doing if we talk and eat food and praise the Lord. Not true. But we don't see people business and talk and enough with that. No day. Alright. So I'm squeeze chili lime in it. Yep. So the lime I'm gonna make it refresh. And nice with the ice. So Elderbigz gonna go around. Stir him up. So sugar get to dissolve out. I understand. Don't worry about the brownies you have because I don't see the sauce at this game, my people. so I stay honest. I not be no bias and hypocrite I can't tell you about. I put this in there, I put that's a happy color there. I not put nothing in it. Nothing I not put. I not put no dragon. I not put no guineas. I not put no Malta. I not put no suppagent. I not put nothing in it. Because why? Actually I go give my neighbor some and I'm go give him little baby some. So I not put no strong up in this and my people. You understand? I soon start make some strong up still my people. So I don't know. So sauce up juice ready. I need even have a taste. Because no more sugar now going in it. I understand, so I'm gonna catch up on the next part of the pineapple, my people. Pineapple time, my people. See it, my people. Victor take your knife in time for my knife. I'm going to show and deal with the pineapple. You know, peel pineapple and sell around no people, so I'm not going to see me a shik. You understand? So I don't know. I take my time and go through my peep. I don't know, so I'm going to cut out all of them things on my peep. If I'm going to slice them out, or you can just dig them out. Whoops! So sharp the knife is my peep. That's why I know in and no ears. So you see? Actually just dig them out like that. Alright my peeps, so remember pineapple juice time. Alright. I'm gonna just find this my peeps and cut him up. After I do him so my people I'm gonna bust him up together in the blender. Alright. And remember see the ginger them over here. So. Yeah. Just see the skin. So the pine skin. Actually I'm gonna use it to make juice too. Yes man, the skin can use too man. I'm gonna show you how I deal with that. See it my peep? Alright, see it now my peep? This is the ginger. See it? This is the ginger my peep. So cut up the ginger. So now see, I'm going to cut up the ginger. The ginger them cut up my people. And there I'm going to cut up the pine small. So put it in the blender. See it? So I'm outside cut up my peeps. So the last piece that I just done cut up. So nobody thinks the piece I cut up on. Hey, you don't know what I go on. They think me can peel pan and blend it all like no sir. Not good. Alright my peeps. Alright peep. Start of the water. And you see the pineapple. See the ginger them there. Running out of my peep. Yeah. So put on the cover. Ginger that enough people, you see that? Yeah, that way you see the ginger. I don't know pine juice. Elderbigz I mash up some pine juice my people. What thing what we call people, we call it I think a granulated sugar. Yeah. The sugar that the right one to make the juice them still in a but I don't know. The black one Elderbigz have. So Elderbigz I use what him have. So when you use what have, right the people? And if you now also have honey, you can use honey sweetening, you know. Yes man. You can use honey my people. So when you see it my people, I just two blend. I don't know water down, you understand? You see what the water there in the blender. Okay. You see the amount of pine Elderbigz are put in. See it? So the one you see me just do are the first blend. So now this is the second blend. Alright my peep. So let me see what I go on my peep. The sugar brown and pretty stiff my peep. Alright, so when the system I put the sugar in the blender. So the sugar and the pine and the ginger are going to blend out together. Alright, my peep. See it? The pine juice. Alright? Pine juice with the ginger. So when you see the sour sap, and you see the pine. So no comments me and tell me people what you think. What you feel so right now? Me feel so if I make more juice, what you tell me? And I want to see Elderbigz make more juice. Thumbs up the video them. Like, subscribe and share. If you don't want to see Elderbigz make some more juice. So I'm going to deal with it. I'm going to call it juice pan top of juice. I'm still not doing anything. I'm going to one more juice for showing you so I'm serious. Alright? I'm going to watch your style I want to go see. Alright, my peep, I'm telling you so I'm going to do one more juice. So see it? And once I cucumber them here. It's a pumpkin in the fridge said way. Nothing wrong with it, it's good. See it? And I have some ginger. Some more ginger, you understand me people? Alright, so be a juice pan top of juice. And see the pine and I gone on the fridge you know people. You understand? See it? Yeah. So alright, I'm gonna go and see a tune me I wash off them cucumber and my peep. See it, my peep, so juice time again, you know, peep. Elderbigz now waste no time. See it? So chop up the cucumber or cut it up. But when we do it big, you know, call it chop up, you understand? Yeah, man, so I run through and chop him up. See it, my peep? I don't know the pumpkin there. See it? The blender full powerful my people, so that's how I cut them so huge. Okay? Yes, so man, I don't have to take out no seed out of this man. Everything I blend up, man. Everything I blend up. You understand? Just juice and all of them natural, me peep. Yeah. I'm not put no alcohol in none of them. I understand because I don't know. I have to leave some for my daughter and my son said we. Although I can put little one side and strong it up if I want, but I don't really want that, so naturally I go ital. So this is the third chip, my peep. Ginger them are idle, good. Alright, so I'm kind of scrape them off and wash them off, so don't know. Put up the ginger. So the sour stuff and the pineapple and the fridge are going cool up. You see it, my peep? I think I'm going to put a piece more ginger in the thing on the paper. Not much, just a little piece more. Wash it off. See my paper, just a little piece more. Alright. See my paper, so done cut up now. Water in a blender. Run the cucumber though. The ginger and everything mixed up. Alright. So let me see what I'm going with the blender now. Get out the paper. Powerful. Old Pepsi blender my people, you see it? Check out the look one. I tell you no onion because I don't know see it, you know. Long time them blender are raining, long time them are raining. Cucumber and pumpkin blend me peep. So that's the first round. See? Alright. Let's see what I go on with peeps, so I don't know. Alright, you see it, my peep? Last I cucumber juice with the pumpkin. So you saw the color are different. Yeah, the sugar in it. We blend the one with the sugar. Yeah, the sugar blend out in it. Alright, my peep. Alright, my peeps, so you see it? Last like this. Alright. See it, my peep? You hear the sound in the background, people? So I'm gonna see how I go. You see it? But I stir it up. I don't see me blend the sugar, but I still spin him up, you know? Yeah. So, pumpkin, cucumber, and ginger. I understand, I never have a taste. I don't know my juice, alright? But for you to know that, we don't have to link up Elderbigz to get some of it when the time is right, my people. So you don't know. Anytime when you're ready, Elderbigz there. You understand? And for owner the YouTube section, you can take a look over to my Instagram page. Instagram page name is Elderbigz. No space, no night. Right? Yeah, so you can check out the thing. Just like how I look on YouTube said we understand. Tell me what kind of menu you like. What type of food you like. What kind of juice. What you want me to do. Yeah, you don't know anything of my people. And also our WhatsApp number can go on, which is our business number. Yeah, right. So the business WhatsApp number is 1876 399 1564. Alright. So that's 1876 area code 399 1564. So you don't know me in my kitchen here. You don't know me in the kitchen. I go and throw the juice a bit. The juice I know people are trouble, you know. God, that is nice. And you know cool it. See it? Nice and you know cool it, my people. Nice and you know cool it. You understand? Come on, so you see breadfruit and the banana them over this and thing and thing, so I don't know. But me not done it, me I go show you one more something before me go with my people. Just go and hold on for me a little bit. Alright, can you see it, my people? Piece more ginger again. One piece more ginger again, my people. So I'm gonna move it at this now. Over this, so. Yeah, my spoon right there, so. I have a little bottle I'm going to use and crush the ginger. You understand? And man, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. You understand? So, crush the ginger. So this is what I'm going to do. Look one. So these are the fine skin. You understand it, babe? Take a good look down in the pot. Fine skin that. This is my kettle. So now see how I come out of that. Warm water. So I don't need no more than that. And then I drop the ginger in there. See it, my babe? I'm gonna cover them up. So that's how we deal with the skin. You understand, my babe? And after that, when it cool, I'm gonna blend up. You understand? So send go up and we're gonna get a piece more ginger. So I don't know. Alright? One love.